Bekenstein, Hawking radiation. The explanation in 1 minute memory lasts for a whole year. And here I explain Hawking radiation and the meaning of it. The meaning of Hawking radiation is highly related with hologram theory, where all information of black hole is recorded in the surface of black hole. So I explain it. Hawking radiation is a thermodynamical effect on the surface of black hole. Black hole should be the coldest area because there should be no warm object near the surface. But near the black hole there is warm effect, which is Hawking effect. And within this, thermodynamical radiation can come out, even though all radiations should come in, not out. And this is easily explained by Heisenberg's principle. The thickness of black hole surface is 0, so the delta x is 0. But as you see, as delta x goes to 0, the delta momentum goes to infinity. So the particle on the surface of black hole should have infinite momentum, and that is why the radiation can come out from black hole. And within Hawking radiation, we can decode the information of black hole. So if we can get close to black hole, we can read the data of radiation, and it tells us the information of black hole. In third picture, there are gravity loops within which we can decode the gravity information of particles inside black hole. And in this lecture, I will explain how we can do that within topology. The proof that black hole has 4D record and 5D decode in the surface. Notification. S3D is a sphere with volume divergence. This 3D is a boundary of a sphere with volume divergence. S3-1 is a sphere with volume 1, and this 3-1 is a boundary of a sphere with volume 1. First theorem: if this 3D exists, this 3D is homomorphic is 4-dimensional Euclidean space. If this 3D exists, this 3D is homomorphic with 4-dimensional Euclidean space. 4D Euclidean space is a metric space with 4 independent variables. And this is a usual 4-dimensional space we usually say. So we can say this 3D is 4D. And using the topology, I will explain ADCFT correspondence theory. The bulk of black hole have volume divergence. The next equation is about ADS spacetime metric of a black hole spark. Local proper time and proper length and Z are like this. Relation between energy and distance in boundary and bulk is following, where Yang-Mills energy is proportional to 1 per Z and Yang-Mills distance is proportional to Z. So we have this relation, and we can conclude near singularities there are infinite energy, which means the Z can go to 0 as Z is an open set. And this is homomorphic to infinite length. So we showed UV divergence, which means black hole has infinite curvature, and this is good art for the fact. Now I prove black hole is a sphere with using CFT. A CFT is 4D Minkowski space, which is the surface of black hole as a topology of R multiplied by S3. And S3 satisfies S3 equals R3 plus infinity. So CFT can be expressed as R4 plus infinity. And this is same with S4, which is the boundary of a 5D sphere. Topology of sphere is R multiplied by S3, and S3 is R3 plus infinity. So topology of CFT is R4 plus infinity, which is S4. So black hole CFT has a sphere topology, and this means CFT can be explained as a wave within time. So this is a wave on the surface of black hole which has a time. So in combining ADS and CFT, we have this shape: black hole is a sphere with infinite curvature. Now I'll explain the relation between ADS-CFT correspondence theory and Hawking radiation. In the ADS-CFT correspondence, the gravity of bulk, which is expressed as ADS5, is expressed as a wave information of the boundary, which is expressed as CFT. And there should be a homomorphic correspondence between ADS5 and CFT. And the way to show this relation is same as the way we prove S3D is 5-dimensional. When a particle gets into black hole, it has a topology of a sphere surface multiplied by hyperbola. It means a particle gets absorbed by gravity, which explains hyperbolic topology, and a particle has a wave effect, which explains a spherical topology. In this way, particle has a mechanical energy as wave energy and gravity energy. So gravity energy can be expressed as wave energy, and wave energy can be expressed as gravity energy, which is ADS-CFT correspondence theory. And this uses spherical system when it is about wave energy. This uses hyperbolic topology when it is about volume divergence. So this is same as the way I proved DS3D is 4-dimensional. And this ADCFT correspondence theory involves speculation and Hawking entropy theory, because Hawking entropy says the information of black hole is recorded in the surface of black hole, and ADCFT correspondence theory says the gravity information of black hole is recorded in surface of black hole as a shape of wave. So ADCFT correspondence theory is a generalization of Hawking entropy. So we proved a black hole has 4D record, which is Hawking radiation, and now I will prove how we can decode the information within 5D. As we make finest sphere on the finest circle on this video, you can have 5D structure on CFT, which means loop quantum gravity. And using this, we can decode the information of black hole. So if we can get close to black hole, we can get the data, because we can decode the gravity loop near the black hole, which is 5-dimensional. Now we know Hawking radiation. With Hawking radiation, we can extract the information of black hole. In this way, we can use black hole as a quantum computer. So incoming information is by gravity, and outgoing information is by Hawking radiation. So black hole as a quantum computer.